to fix Facebook audio reel out of sync. So to fix the Facebook audio reel that is out of sync, you can start by updating your app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Facebook app, and if you see an update button available right here instead of open, simply tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is restart the app and device. You see, when you open your Facebook app and then your Facebook audio reels are out of sync, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen, pause in the middle, then swipe away the Facebook app from your multitasking screen and then reopen it and then check that if the audio reels are still out of sync. Now the next thing what you can do is uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. Just go to the existing Facebook app on your device, then tap and hold on it, and then tap remove app from the pop-up menu, then tap delete app to confirm it, then go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then reinstall the Facebook app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.